Hi, this is John McGuire at the McGuire Law Firm, and I'd like to talk a little bit about a stepped-up basis. In a previous video, I talked about a carryover basis, and I guess we'll compare a carryover basis to a stepped-up basis. So carryover is when you take an asset with the basis that is the basis of the donors at the time that the gift or the transfer is made. The big difference is a stepped up basis is you take that asset with a stepped up basis, which generally this applies when you receive a gift through inheritance. And you take the asset with a basis as of the fair market value as of the date of death, or you may have an alternative valuation date, but let's just assume you take that asset with a basis as of the fair market value as of the date of death. So the benefit is, let's say that you have inherited stock from your father. Your father paid $10 a share for Microsoft. Let's say Microsoft is now trading at $500. So instead of taking that share or the shares of Microsoft at $10 a share, if you inherit those shares from your father via death and they're included in his estate, then you take the shares at the step up in basis of $500. So therefore, if you have a basis of $500 and you sell that stock immediately for $500, you have no gain. Whereas if you would have taken that stock with a basis of $10 and sold it for $500, you would have had gain of $490 per share on that asset. So step up in basis can be a huge advantage, and sometimes people need to really consider whether it's worth gifting during life or allowing someone to inherit an asset because of that advantage in the step up in basis. There's a lot of other facts and circumstances to consider, and you have to look at the kind of the estate plan as a whole, but that step up in basis can be a very big advantage, and sometimes I've kind of seen it neglected or overlooked. If you have any questions in regards to your estate matters or transferring assets and gifting to family, please feel free to contact our law firm. We'd be happy to meet with you. Thank you very much.